Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is April the 13th. We're on our first and only job of today. This is a very small project, but it's a unique project. It is another engineered floor glue substance. This is my client. She said, Courtney, I actually talked to her a month ago, and they tried and tried and tried. Even the contractor, they could not get this glue off the floor. And she said, I just kept doing research, and every time I researched, you kept popping up. Okay. And I hear that a lot, guys, and that's a good thing. That's the importance of marketing and branding. So with that being said, I never came out here to do an in-home consultation. She sent me the measurements and also some pictures. I gave her the price, and she said, let's do it. Now, we originally had her scheduled for last Friday, but guys, we just got the traffic, so we rescheduled for this morning. It was best to just do it in a morning appointment. And then after this, we got two in-home consultations, one to do in Cummings and one to do in Swanee. So right now we're in South Fulton off the Cascade. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so this is a small project that we're doing in the basement. Engineered floors, has glue, that famous glue that these contractors cannot get off the floors. And this is what we're doing. So it's just this one room right here. It's about 300 square feet. Charge $4 a square foot. Screen, recoat, clean, and UV cure. Okay. And if you look really close, I'm going to zoom in. See all that glue on the floor? See all that? That's all glue, all glue, all glue. And if I turn around, all this glue on these floors, all this glue on these floors. And T just kind of just knocking some off the towel. Not to say that's what we're here to do. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is go ahead and hand this over to T while he let me screen this glue. You can actually tell they had something sitting there, kind of pull the finish off. All right, so that's all glue, all glue. See all that, guys? See all that glue? See all this? All glue. All right. See all that? Glue, glue, glue. Glue be gone. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah. Truman. One day refinishing system. It's just something about that name. Truman. Something about that name. I just can't explain. Truman. One day we come, wow. Floors look new, wow. Truman slide through, wow. Make it shine bright, wow. Pulled up smooth with the one day flow. Jazz in the air with the trap down low. Fluid in the middle of the whole room breathe. Ain't waiting out while we bring flows back clean. On the side, yeah, the name got weight. When they hear Truman, they already know it's great. No dust, no mess, just a clean upgrade. One day refinish, that's our legend. They just something about that name. Truman. Something about that name. I just can't explain. Truman. One day we come, wow. Floors look new, wow. Truman slide through, wow. Make it shine bright, wow.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Look at these floors now, have been fully restored. Got all that glue off the surface of these floors. As you can see, nice satin RadCoat finish. All right, well, that's gonna do it. Our day, well, we're not done yet. We gotta go do a consultation in Cumming and then one in Suwanee, and then we will be done. Tomorrow we have 2 projects. We have a screen and recoat in Beaufort. We got a consultation in the morning in Beaufort, a screen and recoat in Beaufort, and a wax removal cleaning in Alpharetta. A house is going on the market. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.